Last week, I had the opportunity to visit Lufasi Nature Park, a serene escape nestled in the heart of Lagos where nature meets conservation and adventure. Lufasi Park is not just a park, it is more than just a park. It is a sanctuary dedicated to protecting the environment, rescuing animals, and offering visitors a unique connection with nature. The walking trails are a refreshing escape. You hear the chirping of the birds, rustling leaves, and the calm breeze, all a perfect reminder of nature's beauty. Lufasi also serves as a safe haven for rescued animals, from donkeys to monkeys. The park is a home to variety of species who now live in a protected and loving environment. Are you looking for a spot to unwind? The picnic area ideal for relaxing with loved ones, surrounded by nothing but pure unspoiled nature. Educational programs and guided tours at Lufasi teach visitors about conservation and the importance of protecting our planet. But enough talk. Let the clips I captured show you the true beauty of Lufasi Nature Park. Watch and see for yourself what makes this place so special. Thank you.